everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to do another one of the 2 cards with 1 design. I don't remember what I called this the last month, but I'll try to refine that before I do this again. But this is the first card, and this is kind of the basic card. It's really cute. It has some sea glass paper pad paper, or this is the paper that I used, the decorative paper, and then I used Stampin' Up's Whisper White and Tip Top Taupe, and this one is Sky Blue, I believe. No, Pool Party. So those are the colors that I used, and then I have Pool Party ribbon that I thought was really cute, so I put that on there too. And it's just sending you some warm fuzzies, and I thought that was really cute. So I went ahead and colored the bear and stamped it, and then we're going to go ahead and make the card again. This time though, I'm going to make it with a little more elaboration, or elaboration, is that even a word? I'm going to make it a little more elaborate. I'm going to kind of jazz it up a little bit so it will be a little bit, I don't know, fancier. I'm so full of great words, aren't I? Hug. So I'm going to try to make it close to the same. I mean, I want them to be very similar, just one with a little more pizzazz. Maybe that's a better way of saying it. So I'm going to put this Pool Party on top of the Tip Top Taupe, and that is cut at 4, so this will be 3 3/4 by 5 1/2, and then that one is 5 1/4, and this one will be 5. I'm just going down a 1/4 of an inch for each layer. So this is layer number 2, so I had to go down 2/4 of an inch, or a 1/2 inch. So there's that one. And then I think what I'm going to do for this is I trimmed that one here and here to make it a little bit a little bit smaller. I started out with a piece that's 3 by 6, and I think what I'm going to do is trim it at 3 3/4 to match up with this one still, but I'm not going to trim it this way, and I'll show you what I'll do instead. So 3 3/4, trim that off, and that should fit here. Yes. And then I'm going to take this decorative punch and punch one of the edges. And I think I'm going to go ahead and stick that down onto the Pool Party. And then I'll go ahead and stick the Tip Top Taupe down, and I'll stick the Pool Party down. So we'll put this down first, followed by the Pool Party. Okay, good night. And then I'm going to put this down here. Oh, you know what? I shouldn't have done that yet. I shouldn't have done that yet. I'm going to lift this up if I can. I'm going to still use the ribbon. But I'm going to put a little bit of tape on the ends, and I'm going to put it underneath, oops, this scalloped edge. Like that, and then I'm going to put a little more tape on there. Ooh, I didn't get that very straight. Goodness gracious. Let's try this again. There we go. And then I'm going to tie a little knot, I think. I don't think I'm going to do a bow. I think I'll just do a knot. All right, and then I'm going to cut these off at an angle. Oh, I think I made this one too long. I love that ribbon. So pretty. And then what I think I'll do is I'll take some of this leftover pool party and put this on top of it like that. So I'll trim this down. And I'm just going to put this right on top of it. Like that. And then I think I'll take some dimensionals and put those on the back. One, two, three. It helps me when I count them. That way I know I got all the backs off. 4, 5. And then I'm going to put this down here. And then I think I'm going to cut out the bear. And he should be fairly easy to cut, so I mean, depending on what your pattern is or what your image is. I have a headache. I just got it not too long ago. And I am sorry, my head isn't totally focusing. I'm having fun doing this, but I'm like, oh, I don't get headaches very often. I will take some aspirin though, or Tylenol or whatever. And I think I'm going to raise him up too. I think I called it one card, two ways. And I think that's, I mean, because it's kind of what it is. It's the same card pretty much, just that one of them is just a little more decorative. Why do I keep trying to say this a different way? And I can't come up with any words. Because I'm crazy. Speaking of crazy, my dog, Taz, he, it was like, I don't know, 4 o'clock. Today's Sunday. It was like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and he went upstairs to go to bed, like in the bed. It was so funny. I was laughing at him. I think I'm going to do one more thing. I think I'm going to take my black marker, the one that's, water soluble. I want a fine tip though. Is there one on the side? Yes. And I think I'm just going to go around the edge of all of him. So I'm just tracing him. I don't know what day yet I'm posting this. And some of you guys might find that interesting, but just because I said it was Sunday. When you do YouTube, you can schedule your videos. So that's what I like to do. And I'm just tracing all the lines just to kind of give it a really neat dark appearance. There we go. And I think that's it. So you can see, I mean, I didn't change a lot, but it makes a big difference. So it's one card, just two different ways. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a great day. And I hope you try these, and I hope that you can see, like, it's not so difficult to jazz it up if you want to. I mean, although the simple card is very cute and very, I mean, giveable, it's certainly a cute card and ready to send, but just a little bit extra gives it a little bit extra. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that this helps. Bye-bye.